our State BJP President Shri L. Murugan ji, my colleague in the Ministry of Home Shri Krishan Reddy Garu, Shri G.K. Selva Kumar, General Secretary, Srimati Vasanti Srinivasan, President Mahila Morcha, Shri Annamalai, Vice President BJP, Shri Kanakasapati, Vice President BJP, Shri S.P. Shekhar, and all our honorable members of the party and all those who hold various appointments sitting here on the stage, and very hard-working, very conscientious, very committed to the party, all the Karyakartas who are sitting here, Namaskar. Today, I see that the party workers and the party padadikaris have brought up the party to a level where we can safely say that we have a great future in Tamil Nadu. What I would like all our Karyakartas to remember is, we have a very internationally acclaimed, a person who thinks of the nation first, our Honorable Prime Minister, who has brought in many things for the poor, for the farmers, for the households, for all those who are neglected, and he has all over India brought in things which make a difference to the common people. My appeal to you would be, let us take these things to the people and tell them as to who has brought them. If gas has been given to poor households, it is under the Ujjwala scheme of Narendra Modi ji. If electricity has been brought to the houses everywhere, it is under the Saubhagya scheme of Narendra Modi ji. If 6,000 rupees in a year are going to poor farmers, it is the Vyavasai who is benefiting from it. It is because of Narendra Modi ji. We must tell the people as to what our party has done. And our party is touching all sections of the society. Sarvasparshi. It is looking after the poor, the neglected, and those who have not been cared for so far. So I think it is our duty to take these things forward, and I see with you all a very bright future for the party. Dhanyawad.
Thank you, Ji. Now I would like to call Kishan Reddy Ji to address his gathering.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी कक्षी State President, respected Murugan ji, Union Minister, my senior colleague, former Army Chief, National Highways Minister Sri V.K. Singh ji, Sri G.K. Selva Kumar ji, Mahila Morcha National President Srimati Vasanti Srinivasan ji, Sri Annamalai ji, Party Organizing Secretary respected Keshav ji, other dignitaries on the dais, media friends, all my BJP family members, brothers and sisters. Today, officially, Coimbatore Bhumi Puja, we started election campaign. This auspicious day, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, is coming to Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore on 25th. He is going to address huge public meeting in this auspicious ground. Today, just now we completed Bhumi Puja for this public meeting arrangements. Along with you, we also work for party in coming elections. Honorable Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, BJP President, has given responsibility for coming elections. We will assist you on behalf of Centre Party. We will work for the party along with you. 25th, we have to extend warm welcome to our Honorable Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is a dedication personality. Is a Prime Minister for nation. On that day, I will request you from every village of this region, every polling booth, our workers, sympathizers, farmers, young men, Mahila, agriculture community, every community, every folk of the law, workers, we should organize for this public meeting. Because this is maybe up to 25th May notification may come or schedule may come. But party has decided to organize because Prime Minister going to come in Coimbatore from official inauguration functions. Our State President, C. Muruganji, requested Honorable Prime Minister, along with our official function, he should organize a party function also. I thanks Prime Minister, I thanks to Jagat Prakash Nadda ji. He wholeheartedly accepted our request. He is going to address that public meeting. That's why on the day, every party worker should mobilize maximum number of our sympathizer workers and different communities for success for this meeting. This is time we have to win as many as will possible MLA constituency seats in Tamil Nadu. Party going to concentrate in southern India, South India. We already in the power, Karnataka. We are going to come power my own state in Telangana next elections. Tamil Nadu sister state, Puducherry, next elections we are only going to host Lotus BJP flag in Puducherry also. And also, along with the NDA partners in Tamil Nadu also, Bharatiya Janata Party going to power in next elections. Kerala also, we are are going to emerge as a strengthened party, powerful party in Tamil Nadu, Kerala also. That's why I requesting every party worker to work together to unity. There is a lot of new personalities also joined in our party in Tamil Nadu. Some are also going to join in Tamil Nadu. Old workers, new personalities put together. We will work in Tamil Nadu. First responsibility, first impact that come from Coimbatore. Coimbatore is a heartful attachment with BJP. Coimbatore is one of the auspicious city, auspicious zone for Bharatiya Janata Party. That's why our Honorable Prime Minister officially is going to start election campaign for this prestigious city, the cultural city, this is an industrial city. That's why I requesting everybody to give time not for this public meeting up to polling day. Whenever election commission going to declare, up to on the day, I request every party worker with heartfully, full time, they should give for election. We should reach every house. We should reach every heart, every house, every heart. We should explain our great leader Narendra Modi ji under leadership of as a Prime Minister, what we achieved in India last 6 years. In India, there is no future for Congress party. In India, there is no future family-owned parties. There is no future. You see, everywhere. You take Bihar, you take UP, you take Haryana, you take Jammu Kashmir, you take Andhra Pradesh, you take Karnataka, everywhere. Family-owned parties, there is no future. People are rejecting family-oriented parties. Family-private-oriented parties, people are rejecting. I hope in coming Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, there is no future family-oriented parties. People will reject in Tamil Nadu family, private limited parties. That's why NDA, Bharatiya Janata Party, under leadership of the Narendra Modi, we should come to power once again in Tamil Nadu. I request every party worker, thank you, अंदरिकी धन्यवादालु, बहुत नमस्ते, वनक्कम.
Thank you, Ji. Now I would like to call Mr. Vasantarajan, District President, Coimbatore South, for vote of thanks. அனைவருக்கும் ஒரு குறிப்பு, நிகழ்ச்சி முடிந்தவுடன் யாரும் அவரவர் இருக்கை விட்டு செல்ல வேண்டாம். இது முடிந்தவுடன் கேசவ விநாயகம் ஜி உடனான பைடெக் உள்ளது. அனைவரும் அவரவர் இருக்கையிலேயே இருக்குமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்ளப்படுகிறார்கள்.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். I thank our Honorable Deputy Home Minister Kishan Reddy ji and Deputy Road and Transport Minister V.K. Singh ji for coming all the way to the Saffron City, Coimbatore for the Bhumi Puja of our Prime Minister's public meeting. I thank you on behalf of Coimbatore City ji. Thank you ji. And we are all inspired of your great speech ji. Definitely this program will be the milestone in the history of Tamil Nadu BJP ji. And also we promise you ji, all the 11 seats in the Coimbatore region will be the NDA MLA we will send from you ji. Your speech is very much inspired to all of us. நாங்கள் எங்களுடைய மாநில தலைவரும் வெற்றிவேல் யாத்திரை நாயகனுமான எல் முருகன்ஜி அவர்கள் இங்கே வருகை தந்து இந்த பூமி பூஜையை சிறப்பித்ததற்கு கோயம்புத்தூர் பாஜக சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு தேசிய மகளிரணி தலைவர் வானதி சீனிவாசன் அக்கா அவர்களுக்கும் மாநில பொதுச் செயலாளர் ஜி.கே. அண்ணா அவர்களுக்கும் துணைத் தலைவர் கனல் சபாபதி அண்ணா அவர்களுக்கும் அண்ணாமலை அண்ணா அவர்களுக்கும் பொருளாளர் எஸ்.ஆர். சேகர் அண்ணன் உட்பட இந்த மாவட்ட தலைவர் நந்தகுமார் அண்ணா அவர்களுக்கும் வடக்கு மாவட்ட தலைவர் ஜெகநாதன் உட்பட இங்கு வருகை தந்திருக்கக்கூடிய தினந்தோறும் நிகழ்ச்சியில் கலந்து கொண்டு இருக்கக்கூடிய சக்தி கேந்திர பொறுப்பாளர்களுக்கும் மாவட்ட மண்டல் நிர்வாகிகளுக்கும் அனைத்து நிர்வாகிகளுக்கும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்து விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி.